So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert Binance USD to SLP. So first of all, you will have to come on binance.com and after that log into your account, and after that choose wallet and now choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you will look for the search bar and now search BUSD and now choose convert. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see the Bitcoin option. Click on it and now search SLP and now choose SLP. So guys, now you have to insert the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 1 Binance USD into SLP. So I'll type the 1. Now you have to click on preview conversion, and it will show you the amount your Binance USD holds into the SLP. So if you have the sufficient funds, then you can convert your Binance USD into SLP by clicking on this button. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.